Hello everyone. In this video and in the coming videos, our focus will be on descriptive statistics. We are starting with descriptive statistics since the Excel functions used for them are very basic and they are very easy to learn. Now let us see what are the measures of central tendency which form an important part of descriptive statistics. Central tendency, it refers to the idea that there is one number that best summarizes the entire set of measurements, a number that is in some way central to the set. The mean, the median and the mode are all valid measures of central tendency. Now let us see what is mean. Mean is also known as average. The mean is equal to the sum of all the values in the data set divided by the number of values in the data set. So if we have n values in the data set and they have values x1, x2 till xn, the sample mean is then usually denoted by x bar. That is, x bar is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 till xn divided by n. That is the number of total values in the data set. An important property of mean is that it includes every value in your data set as part of the calculation. In addition, the mean is the only measure of the central tendency where the sum of deviations of each value from the mean is always 0. Now let us see what is median. The median is the middle score for a data that has been arranged in order of magnitude, that is either in ascending order or descending order. The median is less affected by outliers and skewed data. The median is actually a better measure for centrality than mean if your data are skewed, meaning lopsided. Now let us see what is mode. The mode is the most frequent score in our data set, which is simply the number which is occurring the most number of times. Let us now see the various functions in Excel that are used to calculate these measures of central tendency. Here we have the data set, that is the weight of some people from the population. Now we will first calculate the sum of these values. In order to do so, Excel has a specific function which is equal to sum, then we highlight all the sample observations and press enter. We will get the sum of all these sample observations, which is 575. Now let us calculate the count or n, that is the number of sample observations in the data set, which is equal to count, then we highlight all the sample observations and press enter. We will get the count, that is 15. Here we have 15 sample observations from the population. Now let us calculate the mean, which is equal to average. Then we highlight all the sample observations and press enter. We will get the mean or the average of this data set. Now let us calculate the median or the middlemost value, which is equal to median. Then we highlight all the sample observations and press enter. We will get the middlemost value. Now let us calculate mode, which is equal to mode. Then again we highlight all the sample observations and press enter. We will get the value which is occurring the most number of times, that is 28. We can easily see in the data set that 28 is occurring the most number of times. That is, it's occurring 4 times. In the next video, we will cover the measures of dispersion. Thank you.